Xometry Order Profile. Greetings! Xometry is the largest digital platform for CNC industrial manufacturing orders in Europe. We process orders from all industry sectors, such as aerospace, automotive, energy, and electronics, which we place to our partners across Europe. Our company's services are trusted by some of the largest corporations in the world, such as BMW, Bosch, Johnson & Johnson, or SpaceX. All orders published on the Xometry platform are confirmed and are waiting to be produced. Orders on the site are constantly updated and are placed to our partners in just a few hours after publication. We publish new manufacturing orders hourly, reaching an average of thousands of orders monthly and producing tens of thousands of components monthly. Our orders are mainly focused on manufacturing technologies, such as milling, turning, metal sheet bending, and laser or water jet cutting. Not least important, we also provide orders for 3D printing and injection molding. Our projects require metalwork with steel, aluminum, copper, and so on, but also plastics. Our jobs range from basic jobs for a unique component to complex or high-volume productions for thousands of parts. Our average order value may interest any partner looking to supplement their production capacity, and there is no limit to the maximum value of our orders. Based on each company's production profile and their production history with us, we place orders with both smaller workshops and large companies. All orders are placed manually after a detailed review by our placing managers. Each application is carefully reviewed to ensure that the selected provider has proven to us his production quality and timing.